Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nabodita babe, and today we are heading towards Shimla, and it's gonna be a long train journey. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. And also comment down below if you have traveled to Shimla or not. So this is my outfit for today. Like, yeah, so simple, guys. It's gonna be like comfortable because we are gonna go for a long train journey. That's why I've kept the outfit comfortable so that it would be easy to travel in train with this outfit. And also I'll meet you in the train. So right now we're in the train, and yeah, it's a 30 hours journey by Netaji Express, and our destination is Kalka. From there we're gonna go by toy train to Shimla. Yeah, it's time, like actual time to reach Kalka is 3 a.m. So right now our train has halted in Delhi, and it will halt here for 15 minutes. So I am just now outside Delhi station. This is how the station looks like. It's a very busy station, of course, and this is our train, Netaji Express. Inside the train is about to start, and the distance of Kalka from Delhi is not very much. So let's see how long the train journey will be and how long it takes to reach Kalka. It generally takes like 6 or 7 hours more, but let's see how late the train will be, or it will be okay. Let's see. So right now we are preparing to sleep just for a while, because it's already 10:34 p.m. and as per the original time we will reach our destination at 3 o'clock. It may be late a bit, but we have to wake up as soon as possible, because that luggage things and all, we have to like take it all carefully, right? And so we are just preparing to sleep. And I am here in the side upper berth. Yeah, I feel comfortable here because the space is like separate, kind of, not totally separate, but it feels spacious than others to me. So I'll prepare to sleep right now. Like in trains basically we can't sleep much, so let's sleep, and I'll meet you after reaching Kalka. So just now we have reached Kalka station, and our train is a bit late, but it's generally a lot more late, but today is okay because it's now 3:43 a.m. and our train has reached Kalka station, and our toy train is at 5:45 a.m. So we have to wait 2 hours. We will sit here in this Kalka station. So right now I am in front of Kalka Shimla railway toy train, and this is my Mauni and Bapi. So this is what the Kalka station looks like, Kalka Shimla railway, and from here only our toy train Shiwalik Deluxe Express will be departing at 5:45 a.m. So this is our toy train Shiwalik Deluxe Express, and this is our compartment FC2. So this is what our compartment looks like from inside. So these are the seats of Shiwalik Deluxe Express, and you can actually alter these seats like this according to your choice. Yes, and these are our seats. This is 2, 3, and this is 1. This is a space for pantry use, and this is a tiny washroom. Let me show you inside the washroom. It's a very tiny washroom. So breakfast is included with the fare of our toy train Shiwalik Deluxe Express. So here is what we have got for our breakfast: sugar, ketchup, then biscuit, butter, and milk powder, then cups, and of course tea bags, water, hot water they will give, and then we have this bread and omelette. They have also given knife to spread the butter on the bread, and this is quite nice breakfast. Our toy train will be crossing a total of 102 tunnels, and right now it is crossing a tunnel which is the longest tunnel, the Barog tunnel. So our toy train has taken a halt in the Barog station, where it will be halting for 10 to 15 minutes. So everyone from the train is now outside in the station taking pictures and all. Very nice, and it's freezing cold here. Maybe the temperature is below 5 degrees or something, or maybe above, but it's freezing cold. Just check out the view. Such a nice view, and this is our toy train. So right now our train has halted in the Tara Devi station, and it will be halting here for a few minutes until another train crosses. So just now we have reached Shimla station at before time. Yeah. We were to reach here at 10:50 and it's 10:42 now. So it's before time, of course, 8 minutes before time. This is the Shimla station and we have reached here. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. So this is the Shimla station and this is our toy train. This is the view of the hills from the station. तो अभी हम एक कार लेके स्टेशन से जा रहे हैं लिफ्ट तक, जहाँ से हम ऊपर जाएंगे मॉल रोड पे, जहाँ पे हमारा होटल है. गाड़ियाँ मॉल रोड पे नहीं जा सकती है, तो अब हमको लिफ्ट लेके ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. You have to go up and then turning left. See our hotel. So let's go. तो ये है हिमाचल टूरिज्म लिफ्ट एंड यहाँ से लिफ्ट करके हमें ऊपर मॉल रोड पे जाना है. The fare of lift each person is ₹10. So we're in the mall road and yeah, अभी जाते हैं होटल में. So this is the building of our hotel, Bridgeview Premium, and there are 3 hotels in this same building. So this is our room of Bridgeview Premium. There is a center table where you can have your dinner and breakfast while enjoying this wonderful view. And here comes our washroom, which is pretty big and well maintained. And here is our king size bed. And this room means our room is deluxe room. There are 2 types of room categories. One is deluxe and the other one is superior. And here I am with the mirror, and they have given that electric kettle, jug, and 2 complimentary water bottles. Also slippers they have given, and our luggage and all are there. And they have given fan, which is of no use of course in the winter. And then extra blanket they have given, if we need, but yeah, we will see if we need or not. And they have also given two switches. One is for do not disturb and one is to call for service. And there is a TV which is of no use because no one watches TV while traveling. So right now we are going to the mall road. We will have our lunch. Yep, so this is the mall road and it's like 1 kilometer long. So at last we have entered a restaurant और हम आए हैं शेर पंजाब में and let's order something to eat. So we just finished our lunch and now we are going to reach, and so we are going towards Christchurch, and this is the view of the mall road from here. So we have reached the Christchurch. So this is the Christchurch. So after like entering the church, I just like shot some reels for Instagram. थोड़ा वो food carnival चल रहा है यहाँ पर. So we are going inside to just see. I guess we will not eat anything, but just to see, like observe it. Let's go. So my parents changed minds a bit. तो वो अब कह रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ से कुछ खा ही लेंगे, like थोड़ा बहुत, like a little bit something. So this is the Solan stall from where we got jalebi with rabri. So just now we had jalebi with rabri from Solan stall, and now we are going up there. Let's go. We have reached here and it's so good. यहाँ से भी ऐसा व्यू आता है अच्छा वाला. There is something written about the beach. So now we have reached Gaiety Theatre here. So here is the Gaiety Theatre. We are walking past Gaiety Theatre to Stanley Point. This is Stanley Point. Stanley Point. The Stanley Point, there are many monkeys here, right? Now we are going to Kalibari temple and there are so many monkeys, so I can't record properly. So let's go and see if I can record or not. Himachal Pradesh University, and this is my father. So right now we are going to Kali Mandir, and the view from here, the sunset view is awesome. Just check out. Here we have reached the Kalibari temple. This is the main temple. And there was no recording allowed, so yes, and the view is awesome from the temple. We are back from Kalibari and we are on Mall Road. We will just walk around the Mall Road for some few minutes और फिर हम होटल में वापस जाएंगे और शायद डिनर वहीं पे ही करेंगे. Actually we came back to our hotel, but we have to go again now because our drinking water has finished. So we are going to Mall Road to buy some drinking water because in the hotel I guess the rate of water is too much high. So let's go. And it's too cold. It's like nearly 0 degrees Celsius. So I have to wear this cap because it's really warm. So as I told you, I went to the Mall Road. We went to the Mall Road to buy some more drinking water. So we bought that, and with that Also some pastries, and we bought this. Here are the samosa, कचौरी, और यहाँ पे है तो लड्डू है. So let's end today's video with the end of the day and our first day in Shimla and all the train journeys and all. So yep, stay tuned until the next part of our vlog comes out, and I'm going to end this part of our Shimla-Manali vlog here. So yeah, stay tuned and bye.